Hello, I'm Chris Luck, and I would like to start off by asking you a very quick question. Would you like to see how I went from 0 to $25,028,183.02? Well, if you do, then you'll want to watch this quick video. It all started in 1999 when I was a broke college kid my freshman year pursuing a degree in computer science, and I did a Google search at the time for how to make money online, and yeah, this is what Google really did look like back when I was in college, and I found myself spending all day and night behind my computer screen clicking on everything that I saw about how to make money online. And it took about 5 days for me to max out my credit card buying every opportunity that looked like a no-brainer. And I literally tried everything. I tried making money stuffing envelopes, filling out surveys, mystery shopping, network marketing, selling ebooks, and even doing some things on eBay, like buying and selling and doing arbitrage on eBay. And while all this seemed like it was, if they would do well and make me some extra money while I was in college, I was failing miserably at everything. Which did make sense to me because all the courses and all these products that I was buying had all this proof that it worked, but why wasn't it working for me? Then one day I was on a forum called the Warrior Forum, and I started reading some posts from a few guys about how much they were making as affiliate marketers. And when I was reading their stories and what they were doing, I just got fascinated with the idea of not having a website, not having a list, not really building anything. All you had to do was just send traffic to a link that would then send people over to a specific product that you would get a commission on. So, I was hooked on the idea, and I found a place called ClickBank, which for those of you that's been around for as long as I have, this is what ClickBank looked like when we all first got started. And for those of you who don't know what ClickBank is, it's a massive digital online marketplace that has thousands of products that people sell on how to do things like organic gardening, losing weight, day trading, dog training, martial arts, you name it. So what I did is I signed up to be an affiliate for these products, and I literally started just sleeping at my computer because I would stay up so late through the night. I mean, there wasn't enough Red Bull to keep my eyes open, so I would just doze off. So I kind of made a bed around my computer so I could just wake up and then get right back to it. And I was so addicted to affiliate marketing. This is all I did for the next 7 years. And in 2006, which this is what ClickBank looked like at that time, I was browsing ClickBank to buy or to look at some new products that I could promote. And this is when I discovered at the moment that all the top products on ClickBank that I could promote as an affiliate were products about affiliate marketing. And they were making a ton of money. I could see that, people were promoting the hell out of them. So out of curiosity, I bought every one of them, thinking that maybe I could pick up 1 or 2 new affiliate marketing strategies. And if I printed out every book and course that I bought and put it on a bookshelf, this is probably a picture of what might look like on my hard drive. So this was a very expensive journey of buying everything that I saw in affiliate marketing. And I noticed about 20% of the products had any real value with marketing methods that actually worked. So in 2007, I had a big idea. I thought to myself, why not just swipe what's working with the products that were actually good? And when I say swipe what's working, I mean like kind of modeling their sales pages and their copy and their angles of how they were selling their products. But instead of selling crappy products, I would actually teach information that is working very well, but I would teach it all in one place. Instead of selling products individually like everyone else was doing, I would swipe what's working based off the products that we're selling, but then I would build my own little marketing club that I could charge monthly for. And every month, as long as people remained a member, they would learn new marketing methods. So that's what I did. I built my first website, and it went on to generate $10,580,197.16 during 2007 to 2013. And at its peak, it was bringing in just over $60,000 a week in net profit. And with it doing so well, I thought, well, heck, why not just swipe what's working and build more of these in other industries? So that's exactly what I did. In fact, this is an email from my account manager over at ClickBank where I requested the total sales in an itemized format for each of my businesses from 2007 to 2013, which is when I sold the company. That's why I keep saying 2013. And the total revenue generated was $25,028,183.02. which, if you do the math, breaks down to just over $4.1 million per year, just over $11,000 per day, just over $476 per hour, and just under $8 a minute. And I laugh because this is literally $8 a minute running 24 hours a day from 2007 to 2013. So it was incredible. But I don't want to be one of those people that spend all this time on earnings and talk about my past, but I feel like it's necessary so you can really get a visual on the potential of what you're about to experience when you go further down on this page that you're on. So this is a more detailed breakdown of my actual net profit across all my businesses for a 30-day period. And you can see it was just over $178,000 in net profit, which went on for a very long time. In fact, I have a whole bunch more of these, actually going into my accounts and doing some screenshots, but I'll just go ahead and go through these because I don't want to bore you with this. I just want you to see these screenshots to know that what you're about to experience is not some idea or tactic that's only just been working recently. This is something that's been working for many, many, many years, and what you're about to experience is even more powerful today than ever before. In fact, this is a current snapshot of a brand new business that I just recently opened, coming right out of the gate. It's already generated over $40,000 in 1 week, over $55,000 in another week, over $140,000 in net profit in just 30 days. And I could keep going with this, but I think you get the point. I just want you to know that I'm not showing you this to brag. It was just to be 100% transparent to make sure you realize what I'm about to show you is a very real, proven, multiple 8-figure generating system that's taken me 7 years of fine-tuning. And this really generates and spits out serious life-changing money that can definitely make a difference in your future. So then I had my second big idea, and after all of this, and I thought, why not take the idea of swiping what's working and try it with some just other off-the-wall business ventures that are outside of the realm of building membership sites and marketing clubs. So that's exactly what I did. I swiped what's working in the app industry, and I made over $100,000 on my first iPhone game called Boomy vs. Pirates, and I ended up selling the company. But if you go to Google and literally search Boomy vs. Pirates, you'll see all the press and media attention that I got with that game. And then I swiped what's working on Amazon, and I generated $335,000 in 60 days selling a supplement in a market that I've never been in before. And while both of these type of businesses most entrepreneurs would consider a great success, I was just really, really bored because they were product-driven businesses that had no passion behind them. I had no passion at all about the app games and selling supplements. I mean, the money was good, but it just isn't what I wanted to do. And I actually started going into a little bit of a depression. So I took my wife and 2 beautiful daughters on a Disney cruise and went completely off the grid for 7 days to reflect about what I really want to do in life moving forward. And that's when I had my third big idea. I realized there's 2 things that I enjoy most. Number 1, I enjoy building profitable online businesses very quickly. And number 2, I enjoy teaching people how to build profitable online businesses very quickly. So I closed down my app business and supplement business and to focus on the 2 things that I enjoy most, and that's my story.